Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious Nigerian jollof rice. This jollof rice was so delicious. It's one of my favorites, and guys, you're going to love it. So if you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching. Here I have my rice. I'll be parboiling it. Then here I have the mixed spices. This is fried shallot, seasoning cube, salt, curry powder, rosemary, fresh ginger and garlic, beef spices, and onion. So here are the spices I'll be using for this delicious recipe. Then here I have vegetable oil, tomato, plum, onion, and pepper. I have two types of pepper there. Here I have shombo and the other bell pepper, right? Here is tomato paste. I'll be using beef for this recipe. This is cow meat. So guys, here are basically the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this delicious Nigerian jollof rice. So the first thing we'll be doing here is I've already washed my meat. Then I've sliced my onion. I've added onion and some mixed spices to it, and I'll be cooking it. So guys, this is it. I didn't add water initially, so I'll be leaving the water to dry up before adding another water. So guys, as you guys can see, the water is dried up, and I've added another water. It was done behind the camera, and I'll be leaving it to boil. So this is it. It's boiling. So after that, I'll be taking the beef from the stock. We're going to be using the stock to prepare the stew for our delicious Nigerian jollof rice. So here I'm frying the beef. I'll be frying it a little. So guys, I'm done with frying the beef. If the vegetable oil is much, you can reduce it. I've added the tomato paste, and I'll be leaving it to dry for some minutes. After that, I'll be adding the blended tomatoes, onion, and pepper, and I'll also be leaving the water to dry up as well. So as you guys can see, the water in the tomatoes is dried up. Here I'm adding the stock. I'm adding the remaining spices. I divided the spices and added some to the beef. Alright, so this is the remaining. So guys, I'll be leaving it to boil. So guys, this is it after boiling. So I'll be taking part of the stew for the meat. All right. So in a boiling water, we'll be adding the stew. So guys, like I said, I took out some stew for the meat, so I'll be putting the beef in tomato sauce. I've added salt. I'm going to stay and leave it to boil. So after that, I'm adding my rice. The rice was parboiled behind the camera. And make sure the rice is in the same level with the water, guys. Please, here is the trick. So if at the end of the day it needs water, you can add. But it's best you add water the same level. Guys, our rice is ready. Isn't this yummy? Our rice is ready. Get your spoons, guys. This rice was so delicious, guys. You need to have a taste. Please make sure you try out this recipe, and I know you're going to love it. Try out this recipe, guys. You're going to love it. Delicious, guys. Our rice is ready. Alright, guys, hope you love this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for the recipe measurement, please check out my blog. And see you guys in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.